Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. I'll be showing you how to fix this account might include sensitive content on X or Twitter. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up X. Alright, now I'm going to explain something to you. The reasons why you are seeing this warning. Well, maybe your profile may not have a verified birthday, as users under 18 or with a known age have this restriction. Now, the other one may be the account you're viewing, or your own account has posted media that violates X policy regarding graphic violence, adult content, or excessive core. Also, the default privacy setting hides sensitive content. So the workaround for that, go ahead and go to your profile, tap on your profile once more, okay? Tap on it, tap on the pencil icon to edit your profile. Scroll down a bit and find birth date. And then in here, just remove your birth date. Okay, and once that's done, hit on continue. Now go back in this section and just re-add your birth date, okay? Make sure that you add at least an 18 plus birthday. All right, and once that's done, go ahead and don't forget to tap on save. And after that, go back to your profile right here. Tap on settings and support. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy and safety. And then content you see. Tap. And in here, tap on sensitive media, graphic violence, adult content, and other. Make sure that that is set to show all. Okay. Show all, tap, show all. And then after that, just go back, or you go ahead and force close the app, reopen it. And after that, you should be good to go. That is how you fix this account might include sensitive content on X. If this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.